Hey, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a star in Adobe Photoshop. To get started, if we head over to our shape tool on the left hand side, click and hold on this icon and then head down to polygon. Now on your canvas, if we click and drag we can make a polygon, and if we hold shift then it will keep it from skewing as well. Then roughly go to the size that you would like your star to be. Now if we head along to the properties panel, we will be able to change some settings to make this polygon a star shape. First, if we change the fill to the colour that we would like the star to be, in this example I am going to select yellow, and then if we make sure that the slash is selected for the stroke, unless you would like a border around the star. Now below the stroke we have a section that will allow us to select how many points we would like on our star. In this case I would like 5, so I shall change the number of sides to 5, and then down below where the star icon is, we want to lower this number. This pulls in the points and creates the shape of the star. This can be altered for how pointy you want your star to be. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.